Hello again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of replacement battery packs that you can buy on Amazon. There's many different companies that make it. This is the ESDDI, this is the NP-F550, which is really commonly used. It was originally from a Sony camcorder, and it was utilized now in LED light arrays that you get for your DSLR or any studio lighting. So I'm going to demonstrate how well these work. So this is the basic battery, and this particular one is 7.4 volts at 2200 milliamp hours or 6.3 watt hours. And this is a lithium ion battery, which is what you want. So it's really basic. If you look at the top, it has the contacts right there. It has the positive and the negative right there. Then it has these cutouts. They're injected molded to match whatever device that you're using that requires this battery. Now I have a couple of different lights that use this, and I'm going to just show you how simple it is to use. So here I have an example. Here's an LED 33X, very nice light with barn doors on there. And if you look at the back of this, you have a power switch and color control. But it's one of these lights that will take this type of battery. So all you do is you put the contacts towards the contact part right there, and you put it in there and you slide it forward just like that, and most of these will click. And then you have your power switch, and of course you have your LEDs to come on, and you have all your control. Now what's really nice about this is that this is a very lightweight package, and that's due to these amazing batteries. So I would suggest if you have a device that uses them and you have a choice of having battery power, I would suggest you get some of these batteries. So here's another example of an LED light. This is the 660 AS, and it uses two of those batteries in there, and it's very simple. Like I showed you, just plug this battery right in, and you don't want to charge these with the batteries in. These are charged separately with their own included chargers, just like that. And then when you put the two batteries in there, you can turn it on and you can see your display right there, and then you have your LEDs right there, and you then don't have to have access to 115 volts. So overall, my opinion is they're worth their value because they make your devices powered without having access to 115 volts, and they work really well. So I'm going to give these products a full 5-star rating on my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helps you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.